bread and butter is YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. What are some, after this being your 5th year, what are some tips if I want to enhance or increase my YouTube game,
Yeah.
and I like to ride snowmobiles and I want to post snowmobile content, or maybe not even snowmobile, maybe it's just whatever industry I'm in, you know, for my job or whatever, or my hobbies. What are some things that you've learned through these 4 or 5 years of spending a lot of time on the platform and paying attention to some of those metrics?
You know, I definitely don't think I'm the best person to ask those questions to. Like, I'm running a successful YouTube channel, but that's because I'm doing something that nobody else was doing yet. Somebody could easily come along and do what I do and do it better, but I was more or less, you know, there's other people doing something similar, but more or less the first one that went as hard as I did.
Yeah.
Literally every single day,
Quantity.
right?
Yeah.
So it's hard to compete with that because most people can't go out there and ride every single day and make a video. But if you're trying to make content for something you love, if you just share that passion and try and make content that's entertaining and relatable, that's where it's going to do well for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
So, no tricks like thumbnail, like you got some tricks in the bag, or
you know,
are those ones saved, locked away?
No, I don't have any special tricks. You go watch. There's so
Spend
many
some time
YouTube
on
videos
YouTube
you could see that people tell you what to do, which doesn't necessarily relate to your niche, but thumbnail super important, title super important. Usually I try and just keep it short and sweet.
Yep.
And lots of guys, when they go out to film a video, they'll have a title and a thumbnail planned before they even make a video. Whereas me, where I'm just winging it every day,
See, I'm not sure I really like that.
Yeah.
Because at that point, you're kind of just like you're crafting. It's not like
It's not organic.
it's not organic or
Yeah.
naturally happening. I understand at times there's probably times where you have to manufacture some of that to kind of keep up with a production schedule if that's what you're doing. But
Yeah, like if I have a specific video that I'm trying to do, like winter camping,
yeah,
you know, I knew what that was going to be ahead of time.
oh yeah,
But I just let things happen. I don't plan anything for the most part. It's just go out, have a good time, and whatever happens, happens.
yeah.
Usually, when something exciting does happen, I'll be like, "Oh, there's my moment. There's my title. There's my thumbnail," or something like that.
Yeah.